Hey, Karma babies.
Hi, Karma baby.
Hey, Karma babies. How you guys doing? I'm driving Miss Daisy here to school again.
Hi.
Guys, I put up a video yesterday and I'm so excited. I'm so happy to get back into the swing of things. Yes, finally, huh?
Finally.
We got to make do with what we got when we got it.
Sure do.
We can't be moseying around. We got to do what we do. Guys, yesterday, remember I was telling you about Shaunna got her grades?
Yeah.
Well, her mama got the official report from school. And guess what?
Guess what, guys?
Drum roll. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? What up?
I'm on the honor roll.
Not the jelly roll. Not the jelly roll. She's on the honor roll. She's on the honor roll. We are so excited.
I'm on the honor roll.
She's on the honor roll. 9th grade, high school, and on the honor roll. She didn't make the headmaster's list.
No.
The headmaster's list
It's straight A's.
straight A's, but hey, that's coming, guys. We know it. We know it's
Baby
coming,
steps,
Shaunna.
right?
I'm so proud of you. So
Thank
proud.
you, Grandma.
So proud of you. So proud. So proud. I just knew it, though. I knew you had it in you
Yeah.
all the time. I mean, I wasn't worried about that at all. I always knew you had it in. You just got to study a little bit more.
Yeah.
Just like I tell you, Karma babies, all the time. You have it in you. You have it in you. You're kings and queens. All you got to do is work on it and bring it out of you, right?
Exactly.
So,
Take that extra step. That's all you have to do. Take the extra step.
what did you do to get those? Tell them. What did you do to get on the honor roll?
Honestly, you have to study. But what really mattered to me, what really brought up my grades, was just doing the small things that I need to, like homework, you know, the daily grades. Just every, like, reading when your teacher tells you to read. Really just do them. Just really do them because they are going. Just you really have to do it.
Yes.
I know you don't want to do this. You're gonna think only homework is only a homework grade, whatever. It's only quiz grade. It's only a daily grade. No, every grade really does matter. Every grade.
Oh, Shaunna,
every grade.
That is so true. You know, that made me think. You know, that really touched me, Shaunna. You know what Martin Luther King said?
What did he say?
You don't have to see the whole staircase. All you have to see is one step at a time.
Exactly.
One step at a
one
time.
step at a time.
And that's what you just said. You just proved the exact fact of what we're always saying.
Exactly.
Just one step at a time. That's a beautiful thing. So, on the way to school today, guys, we're going to stop and get Miss Shaunna what you're going to stop and get?
McDonald's Frappe.
She likes McDonald's Frappuccinos.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go there, and she's trying to get me to go through the drive-thru, guys. I have never driven through a drive-thru in my life.
It's not
I've
hard.
I always get out and I go through, go in, or Shaunna will go in. I've never driven through. I don't know. I'll see what's going on when we get there.
Yeah.
If it's a lot of cars there, how much space is there? I don't want to scratch up the truck and all that stuff.
It's not hard, Grandma. I promise you.
From a girl who don't drive yet.
I think I'll be a good
It's
driver.
almost time for her to get her car.
That's true.
Yeah.
Almost 15.
When she gets a car, then maybe she'll get a little part-time job too, and and stay on the headmaster's list. You're gonna be busy, baby.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. No. You know what? Your mom and your sister. Your mom and your sister. You don't have any. Your mom and her sisters. All of them. I never pushed them to get jobs when they were teenagers.
Well, I want a job as a teenager.
Yeah,
so I don't want to.
so that's right. That's right.
I want a job.
That's what I should have done instead of me giving it to them all the time. You know.
Because who wants to ask their parents for it? I want to be able to. Hey, I got money. I have a car.
Oh my goodness.
I want to go mall today.
Oh no, Shaunna. I'm not going to be able to take that.
I mean, when you're
what am I supposed to do? You just up and leaving and getting in a car and going?
Having a job as a teenager, you don't have to pay bills. You don't have to pay for a child. You don't have to pay for anyone or anything. So you just have spare money all the time. So all you're doing is going to
spare money? Who's got spare money out there, guys?
Teenagers. teenagers that have jobs.
Do you guys have any spare money?
Not all teenagers that have.
Maybe she'll go. Maybe she'll go to the mall and bring back gifts for grandma. Huh?
I might.
I know you would.
I probably would do that.
This is the most precious child in the world. She is a
not all kids are working, just for spare money. They work for their parents, and that's a great thing. But
you have to.
Majority of teenagers, when they have jobs, they just have extra spare money that you can do whatever they want to. So that's just a great way to not bother your parents. Hey, mom, have money to go to the mall? No, I have money. I have a car. Go to the mall. I don't have to waste your time. You don't have to drive me. You don't have to give me money. I'm just gonna go get what I want to get.
I had jobs when I was a teenager.
Really?
I always had jobs, yeah. And I don't know why I should have had my kids have jobs too. I think, but they all of them have. Oh, look at there's some of your classmates. That's the family up there, right?
That's
the big family.
That's the big family.
Yeah, because I saw a bunch of kids. I saw a bunch of kids back there. I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
So that must be the Partridge family going there. The Partridge family on TV was a family of a bunch of kids, and they used to sing and stuff. So they kind of remind me of the Partridge family.
Okay.
So guys, we're going to be pulling up into McDonald's in a minute. Do you guys want to stay with us to see if I make it through this drive? You guys have been with me for a lot of firsts. You were with me the first time I drove this truck. I mean, the very first time I drove the truck, I took them along with me. I was so scared. They trick you, don't they?
Really?
Because the entrance is right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
That's crazy.
Most people just are tempted to
just keep on going, And then there you go. And then the next time, the first time I drove to Walmart.
Don't go between. They're going
see, you got to go in, Shaunna. They got that blocked off.
There's two of them, Grandma. There's two, and there's one on the outside.
Oh, the outside one might be cool.
Yeah, see?
I can deal with the outside one, I think.
Yes, you can.
They got one blocked off, guys. I thought I was gonna. Is this the outside one?
Yeah, that's the outside one, Grandma.
Up in here, right?
Yeah. And then you have to roll your window down.
Right here. Yep. They say order here.
Yep. And
I gotta let my window down. My first time. Okay.
Say hello.
Hello.
Thank you for staying at McDonald's. May I take your order?
One small caramel frappe.
One small caramel frappe.
I'm sorry, my machine is down.
It's always down.
It was working this morning, and I don't know what happened.
Okay, we'll try again. Thank you. Did you want anything else, baby? No? Okay, well, we'll try tomorrow. Thank you. I'm sorry, Shaunna. Oops. The last time we came here, guys,
it's always broken.
it was down.
The ice cream machine's always broken.
Yeah.
And this is always broken.
Yeah.
Always.
Didn't I tell you? I told you that, didn't I? I told you that's their MO. You go to McDonald's or Burger King or somewhere and you want to get some particular smoothie or frappuccino or something like that, and then they always tell you, I'm sorry.
It's cold in here now.
Oh, I got the window down. Let me let the window back up. I'm sorry, but the machine is down.
It's always down.
Well, whatever. You know what we talked about. Somebody said on somewhere I read that sometimes they don't want to clean the machine, or if somebody forgot to clean it, or sometimes, how many people do you think are going to come by? It's cold out now and ask for a frappuccino. So you would probably be the only person.
I'm the only person that does
and
that.
they would have to clean a whole machine for one order. You know what I mean? So guys, we're taking Shaunna to school, and I will talk to you guys in a little while because I've got to run some errands. I've got to go by the I don't know what you call them, the garden center. Yeah, the garden center after I leave, after I drop her off. Grandpa is doing well. He's at home right now. He's sleeping. He was up most of the night, guys. So we kind of tiptoed out of the house, right, Shaunna?
Yeah, kind of did.
So Grandpa can get him some sleep. So I hope that he's sleeping still. sometimes he'll wake up and then he'll be like, Mary, because he don't know that I'm gone, you know. Because I'm not going to wake him up and say I'm taking Shaunna to school. No way, when he hasn't had any sleep all night. So I'm happy that he's sleeping right now. So, guys, again, Miss Shaunna wanna. Miss Shaunna got on the honor roll. I'm so proud. Guys, congratulate. Put in the comments. I think I'm just going to post this video right here by itself because this one is going to be all dedicated to Shaunna. And I'm going to title it, Shaunna is on the honor roll, not the jelly roll. Yes, your grandma, you know, you always knew your grandma had a bit of a problem. So this is nothing new for you. Maybe for some of the karma babies, for all of those new karma, the newbies, the other ones, the ride or been around for a minute, those karma babies, they already know what's up with grandma. Anything might come up, right? Guys, some of the things grandma be doing around the house, sometimes I think if I recorded this and showed it to my karma babies, they would never believe it. So, okay then. So, Shaunna,
yes.
Miss Honor Roll student,
yes.
Do you have anything else of importance to tell the Karma sisters and brothers?
No, other than I have to start studying for this test.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, I'm in Walmart parking lot, and remember this morning we dropped off Shaunna, and she wanted to stop by McDonald's and get a caramel frappe. And their machine was broken. Well, I went by there again and the machine is still broken. So I ran into Walmart and I got her a Frappuccino caramel. So I'm going to surprise that honor roll student, okay? So I just wanted to tell you guys that before I started. I'm running late, so I got to go, guys, and I'll see you there.
We purchase royalties on select mining operations.
Okay, guys, so I'm pulling up at Shaunna's school, and I'm running a little late, not too late. I'm so excited. I know this is going to make her happy, and I want you guys to see how happy she's going to be. So let's see. We're gonna turn the camera this way so when she gets in, guys, you can see her. Let's see. How's that? I think that's gonna be good. Oops. Got kind of close to that car, guys. I'm acting like I'm all that big time driver. Okay, so we're gonna go pull on up here, and there's my baby over there laughing, talking to somebody. She don't even see me. She see me now. Okay, here she comes. Here comes the honor roll student. Come on, baby. Hey, Shaunna, I'm filming.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Okay, baby. How you doing?
Hello.
Okay, nobody's behind us, right? Sorry, I'm a little bit late. But I'm always
No, that's
about
not
this.
late.
I'm late like this all the time. I want them to see you.
Yeah,
there you go.
They can see me.
Okay. Guess what I got for you?
What'd you get? What'd you get? Huh? All right. What'd you get? What'd you get? Really? Yes! Yes! And it's the this is the one I like, Grandma.
I know you said caramel.
Uh-huh. And these ones are better because they're the Starbucks kind.
Well, yeah, see? They're better than the
McDonald's one.
Than the McDonald's ones?
Thank you, Grandma.
I went back by McDonald's and I asked them again.
And they still didn't have it.
And the machine was still broken. So I said, I know they have those frappuccinos at Walmart. So I'm gonna go and see if they have a caramel one or caramel.
Yeah, they have so many kinds too.
Yeah, they had so many, and I'm glad I remembered that you said that because I didn't want to get one that you didn't like. So that's the least we can do for the birthday girls, right?
Birthday girl, you mean
Not
the honor roll?
yeah, that's your birthday. You're your first honor roll at the school. At this school, not at the other schools. But,
Yeah, this school.
Yeah, but no, not birthday, but honor roll. So
yes,
I'm gonna let you enjoy that, and I just wanted to share that with the Karma babies.
So good. It's better than I expected too. It's better than I remember.
It's nice and cold.
Even though it's cold weather, I love these so much anyway. So.
Yes. Well, Karma babies, we'll see you guys.
Bye, Karma babies.
Soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.